Hey everyone. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the action camera world, the GoPro Hero 13 Black. With 2024 just around the corner, the rumor mill is buzzing with intriguing details about this flagship model. If you're a tech enthusiast or an action camera aficionado, you're in for a treat. We're going to dissect the latest leaks, explore rumored specs, and see how the Hero 13 Black might revolutionize action cameras as we know them. The GoPro Hero 13 Black has been the talk of the town, with various sources hinting at some groundbreaking features. As we all know, GoPro has been a pioneer in action cameras, consistently pushing the envelope with each new release. The Hero 13 Black is no exception. First up, the design. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is rumored to feature a sleek, redesigned body that promises both aesthetics and durability. The new design not only looks stunning, but is expected to enhance the camera's overall toughness, making it more resilient in extreme conditions. This is crucial for action sports enthusiasts who need their gear to withstand rigorous use. Addition to its new look, the Hero 13 Black is anticipated to offer improved ergonomics, making it easier to handle even with gloves on. This redesign is a strategic move by GoPro to maintain its edge in a market where competitors are quickly catching up. The Hero 13 Black is rumored to deliver jaw-dropping 8K resolution at a smooth 60 frames per second. This leap in video quality is a game changer for action cameras, offering unprecedented detail and clarity for your adventures. Audio capture is also getting an upgrade. The Hero 13 Black is expected to deliver crystal clear sound, complementing its stunning visuals. Whether you're recording your latest mountain bike adventure or capturing audio in a noisy environment, this camera is set to provide high-quality audio to match its video performance. What do you think about the rumored specs of the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Are you excited about the potential 8K video or the enhanced stabilization? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.